Let's try to solve the section 3rd, 5th problem. First question. Express 75 degree in radians and measures 7 pi by 2 in degrees. We know that 1 degree equals to pi by 180 and 1 radian equals to 180 degree divided by pi, or 57 degree 11 minute 42 seconds. Now let's try to solve. We need to find out here 75 degree. So we can use here this formula first. 75 degree, so 1 degree equals to 1 degree equals to pi by 180 degree. So let's try to solve. So 75 into pi by 180 degree. So here we can simplify further. 15 5s are 15, 12s are, so which gives 5 pi by 12. So here we can say 75 degree equals to 5 pi by 12 in radian. So similarly we're going to be try to find out the value of 7 pi by 2 in terms of degree here. 7 pi divided by 2. So here 1 radian equals to 180 degree divided by pi here. 7 pi divided by 2 into 180 divided by pi here. Pi will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 nines are 0 here. So here 7 into 90, which gives 630 degree. So we can say 7 pi by 2 is equals to 630 degree. Let's try to solve the other problem here. Solution. We need to prove that cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. We know that cos a plus b equals to cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. This is formula. So here we need to put a equals to theta and b equals to theta in the formula. Cos theta plus theta, so cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. So cos theta plus theta 2 theta. So here it is repeated twice, so here we can write cos square theta minus sin square theta. So finally we got the value of cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Next problem. Prove that sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 80 equals to root 3 by 8 here. Solution. LHS equals to RHS we need to prove. Let us consider LHS equals to sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 80. So here sin 20, sin 40 can be rewritten as sin 60 minus 20 into sin 80 also can be rewritten as sin 60 plus 20. 60 minus 20 which gives 40 as well as 60 plus 20 which gives 80 here. So sin 40 can be rewritten as sin 60 minus 20. Sin 80 can be rewritten as sin 60 minus 20 here. Now let's try to solve further. We know that because sin a minus b into sin a plus b equals to sin square a minus sin square b. So here sin 20 into sin square 60 minus sin square 20 we can write sin 20 into sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 20. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So here sin 20 3 by 4 minus sin square 20 sin 20 we can take here LCM as a 4. So here 3 minus 4 sin square 20 sin 20 can be multiplied inside also, or I can say here, let me take 1 by 4 outside first, and then sine 20 into 3 minus 4 sine square 20 into sine 20. So here 1 by 4 3 sine 20 minus 4, here it is repeated twice, here once, so here sine cube 20, so 1 by 4, so somehow we know the formula for sine 3 theta equals to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. We can use formula here, so we'll get sine 3 into 20 1 by 4 sine 3 into 20 is 60 here. So somehow we know the value of sine 60, which is nothing but root 3 by 2 here. 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2 will get here root 3 by 8. Hence RHS root. Let's try to solve the next problem here. 6a. Find the value of cos 15 here. Solution. We need to find out the cos 15 value. Before that, we should know the formula for how to solve the problem here. We know that cos a minus b equals to cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So we're going to be use this formula. So cos 15 can be found by using cos 60 minus 45, which gives cos 15. So we can substitute the value of a as well as b in the given formula. Cos 60 into cos 45 plus sin 60 into sin 45. We know that cos 60 value is 1 by 2, cos 45 value is 1 by root 2, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, and sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Now here we can substitute all the values here. Cos 60 1 by 2, here cos 15 into cos 45 1 by root 2 plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into cos root 2. So here 1 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So here we can take a LCM as 2 root 2. So 1 plus root 3. So finally we got the value of cos 15, which is 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Next problem. So here we need to be prove that sine 3x equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x. This is RHS, LHS. Let's try to consider RHS so we can prove LHS. Sine 3x can be written as sine 2x plus x. We know that sine a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus cos a cos a sin b. Where a equals to 2x and b equals to x. Now let's try to substitute in the formula. Sine 2x into cos x plus cos x cos 2x into sin x. Sine 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. These all are formulas. So sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x into cos x plus cos 2x into sin x. Again, cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is also one of the formula for cos 2x. Now let's try to substitute the value of cos 2x also. 2 sin x cos x into cos x plus 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. So here 2 sin x cos into cos square x plus sin x sin into 1 sin x minus 2 sin cube x sin into sin square x gives sin cube x. This 2 remain as it is. Next 2 sin x cos square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Further, as we know, sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. So here cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x we can write. Now let's try to substitute the value of cos square x also here. 2 sin x into 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. 2 into sin x into 1 is 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x. 2 sin x into minus sin x square, which gives 2 sin square 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So here 2 sin x plus 2 sin x plus sin x gives 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x, again minus 2 sin cube x, which gives 4 sin cube x. So finally we got 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So we can say LHS. Hence proved. Let's try to solve the next problem here. Sin 600 degree cos 390 degree plus cos 480 degree into sin 50 degree, which is equals to 1 minus 1. Solution: sin 600 into cos 390 plus cos 480 degree into sin 150, which is equals to minus 1. So this is LHS equals to RHS. Let us consider LHS sin 600 into cos 390 plus cos 480 into sin 150. So first of all, we'll try to find out the value of sin 600, cos 390, cos 480 as well as sin 150. Let's try to solve the problem. Cos 600 can be rewritten as sin 360 plus 240 sin 240 in sin 180 plus 60, which gives minus sin 60. The value will be here minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 390. Cos 390 can be written as cos 360 plus 30 cos 30. So cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 cos 480. So cos 360 plus 120 cos 120. So cos 120 180 minus cos 180 minus 120 cos 120 can be rewritten as cos 180 minus 60. So cos 60 value is say minus, which gives minus 1 by 2. So at last we need to find out the value of sin 150. Sin 150 can be written as 180 minus 30. So here sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So we got all the trigonometric function values here. We can substitute all those values in equation 1. Let's try to substitute all the values and simplify. Sin 600 into cos 390 plus cos 480 into sin 150 here. Sin 600 value is minus root 3 by 2. Cos 390 value is root 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 here. So minus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, which gives minus 3 by 4, plus into minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which gives minus 1 by 4 here. We can take LCM. 4 minus 3 minus 1. So here minus 4 divided by 4. So these two will cancel, minus 1. So hence RHS proved.